Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Today I'm going to share with you these dies and the projects that I made from them. So these dies come from the website called DIYStampShop.com, and they got to me really fast. So the first card that I'm going to share with you, I made all of these into cards, is this one. And I turned this heart balloon into a shaker. So you can see those all move around. And then I put some of the hearts into this piece. Here's the die, guys. So I cut this piece out, this die out, like 10 times to make the shaker, and I backed it with like this shiny like champagne color and then acetate right there, and then I used the little balloon tail piece right here, but I didn't have enough room to have these strings right here. They give you two options. One's like a kind of swirly, not a swirly, a curved one and one straight. I didn't use that because I didn't have enough room on mine. And then I used this one, which made a really good background piece to it. And then I just took some stickers, which I thought matched the gold in here really good, and I just put them where I thought that they looked good for added interest to my card. And then on the inside just says thinking of you, another die that I had from my stash, and paper, some vellum that I got from Hobby Lobby. So that's that card that I made with those dies. The next one is this one, and I made this with this die. I shared this on part 1 of this. This is part 2. Sorry for not saying that in the beginning. This is the project that I made with this. I layered the love about 4 or 5 times just to give it some dimension, and then I cut out this bow paper with a doily, and then I used with a doily die, and then I used this clear vellum right here just to mute out the bows just a little bit to put the love on top of, and then I used another, from another set, a larger doily to add in a little bit more pink, and then I popped that onto the front of a card. I cut this out and put that on this card right here, and that's what the inside of this looks like. This is just some dies from my stash that I have. So you guys, I saved the best for last. Look at this beautiful card. I used this die for the background right here, and I layered tulle over top of that piece, and I put some pearls on top, and then I used this balloon die, this balloon set right here, and I cut out just only 2 different sizes, and I created these balloons, and I put them on some string, and I just centered them all to one place, and then after I glued them down, then I went back and tied this on. Everything was glued down when I tied that on. There is no way that I could have tied that on with everything all loose. And then I layered this. I sent this gray piece through an embossing folder in my stash, and I layered it on that, and then I popped the gray piece on top of some foam, and I made this into a card. So this opens up and says thinking of you. And this is really pretty rose gold, and that is what I did with these dies. I hope that you guys really liked them. Give me a thumbs up and check out their website. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Tell me which card was your favorite. This one will be the heart balloon, the love, or the balloon. So don't forget to check out their website, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.